Hi, thanks for painting with me today. The first thing we're going to do is paint a really nice blurry background using some beautiful autumn colours. I have some phthalo blue, black and a little white. I'm painting the right hand side of the canvas with that, slowly adding more white and blending that into the middle. Then on the left hand side I've got cadmium yellow, a tiny amount of burnt sienna and some white, and I'm going to paint that darkest on the left, adding more white as we come into the middle again. Next I've got a large firm bristled brush and I'm going to start adding a few blurry shadows in the distance, and for this I've used some phthalo blue and cadmium red. Then with the smaller brush I'm going to make circular motions and start adding a little more colour. You can be as creative as you like, add whatever colours you like, just blur it all in onto the dry paint underneath until you get something that you're happy with. Now that I have a background that I'm happy with, I'm going to paint my autumn leaves on top. I have burnt sienna and a medium round brush. I'm starting with 3 main leaves and I'm putting in a branch as well. And then we can add a few more leaves round about until we get a composition that we like. I have a large brush again, and I've added a little more white to my cadmium yellow and burnt sienna mix, and I'm going to dry brush in some lines to indicate the sunlight coming in from the left. I decided to add some brighter colours to my 3 main leaves, so for that I'm coming in with my cadmium red. Now I've got my really nice cadmium yellow and burnt sienna mix again, and I'm going to do a little bit of dry brushing around the edges of the leaves to blur them a little and give the illusion of sunlight hitting them. Thanks for painting with me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please consider hitting that like button for me.